Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular marketing network here called Impact. Okay, maybe you're wondering, can you make money from Impact? Is it legit? How does this actually work? And is this a good use of your time? Right now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. You can check that out if you want. All right. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on this channel. Some of them are great, lots of different courses, business models. Some of them are so-so, and some of them are just straight up a waste of time. So let's check out Impact to find out how good Impact is, what kind of products can you get access to, right? And is this a good way to make money on the internet, all right? Now, Impact is a very large affiliate marketing network, 100% legit, and they work with a lot of different brands like Adidas, like Allstate, like Fanatics, like Lenovo, like StockX, as a small example, so that you can basically see what kind of products that you can work with. So they work with a lot of different retail companies, both offline and online, physical and digital. And the interesting thing about Impact is they've got all sorts of different styles of affiliate programs. So there are affiliate programs where it's a CPA type of deal, where it's a cost per action. That means you have to get the user to do a specific thing, like fill in a form, fill in an application for example, an insurance policy, and then they will pay you a specific amount, like $10 for every application. Or it could just be a straight up affiliate sale. So let's just say you lead someone to Adidas and they buy a pair of Adidas shoes. They might pay you a 3% commission on the sale. Something as simple as that, okay? So they've got a lot of different styles of affiliate programs, but the nice thing is that you as an individual, you could be living from anywhere in the world, you could have no experience, you could come onto impact.com, you could sign up for free, okay? Sign up over here. You wanna join as an affiliate. That's really important, because an affiliate is someone like you and me who are marketers, we are everyday people, and we wanna get access to big brands like Adidas or Allstate or Lenovo, and we want to get paid a sale for every time we recommend their products to people on the internet. Okay, it's as simple as that, right? So what would happen is when you log in, let's just say you are researching the Adidas affiliate program. Adidas will basically list it all down. So they'll say, what kind of products can you sell? What kind of affiliate rates we are paying out? Maybe it's 3%, maybe it's 10%, maybe it's a little bit more than that, right? And for every sale you make, you have to wait 30 days and then we pay out the commissions, okay? And that's basically how it works, okay? So it depends on what kind of affiliate marketer you want to be. Okay, and this is very important. Do you have a following? Are you an influencer? Do you have a big blog? Right? Maybe you have a technology blog, or maybe you have an F&B blog where you talk about wine and where you talk about food, or maybe you talk about pizza specifically, right? Maybe you have a gardening blog and you teach people how to garden, you teach them all the different types of equipment that they can use. You're gonna have to find the right brand to partner up with if you want to marry your audience with the right type of company so that you can generate sales. And that's in effect how affiliate marketing works. It's a $12 billion industry. There are a lot of networks out there, and Impact is one of those really big legitimate ones, okay? So I'm gonna log in. I don't use Impact all the time, but let me just show you right here how simple this is, okay? So this would be the Impact back office, right? You can see obviously I've made no sales here because I'm not necessarily promoting this specific product, but Namecheap is basically a domain hosting service. So you can buy URLs, you can buy domain names from there, and this would be my affiliate link. So if I was to click on it and copy it, right? Now, if I was to drop this into, TikTok or my Facebook or my YouTube, or I would email it to my email list, or maybe some of my students want to buy a domain, and I recommend, hey, why don't you use Namecheap? And they click on it. This will lead them directly to the Namecheap website, right? It looks like the normal site, and when somebody signs up and buys a domain, I will make a commission. It's as simple as that. So all it is it's a referral program, and you can partner up with many different products right here. And as long as you have an audience and somebody buys through your links, you will generate a commission. All right. So Impact pays three ways. They pay through bank transfer, through BAC, if you're based in the UK, and they pay out through PayPal, which is pretty cool as well. All right. Most people have PayPal all over the world. They will pay you out your commissions once a month when your commissions are ready to be paid. So I think Impact is a great place for you to get access to a lot of different products. The only thing about Impact is they don't teach you how to become a marketer. Okay, so you have to understand that a lot of these networks like Impact, like ShareASale, like CJ Affiliate, like ClickBank, like JVZoo, right, like Amazon, they don't teach you how to market. They just assume that you're a marketer or you're an influencer or you're a creator and you have some sort of following, whether it's on your blog or maybe it's on your email list, or maybe it's on one of your big social media accounts like TikTok or Instagram or Facebook Reels, right? And they just assume that you already have this audience. So they're just offering you a place where you can find partnerships, right? And maybe you want to sell, recommend, a specific Adidas shoe to your audience. And if they buy through your link, then you get a commission. So they work with a lot of these big brands. They simplify the affiliate process. And then when people buy the products, then you make a commission. It's as simple as that, okay? So if you want to check out impact.com, it's very, very cool, very legit. Look at the partners that they work with, right? Levi's, Lenovo, HSBC, Felix Gray, Backcountry, Allstate, some very big brands, L'Oreal, StockX. So you can work with these guys, get access to them, and this is basically how you can generate some income if you have an audience, all right? So if you want to check them out, impact.com. Now, if you are watching this video right now and maybe you're a beginner and you're like, Aaron, this sounds awesome, but I don't have an audience. I'm not an influencer, I don't have a blog, right? I'm not big on TikTok or Instagram or anything like that. Can I still do this? Well, absolutely you can, but you have to learn how to do it. Okay, you have to learn a very specific strategy on how to build an audience, how to take them through a very specific process, and then when they're ready, you can recommend them different products as long as it's in the right industry, the right niche, and that's how you generate sales. Now, if you would like to learn that step by step, I've got a full masterclass that you can check out. Just click the link below for free, and I'll send you that masterclass, and you can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Impact. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.